Meaning of happy-go-lucky.
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 Happy-go-lucky. The term happy-go-lucky refers to a carefree attitude or a person who is cheerful and lighthearted, even in challenging situations. It typically describes someone who is living in the moment and not overly concerned about future consequences or potential problems. This trait can be seen as both positive and negative, depending on the situation. In some cases, it can lead to a lack of responsibility and disregard for important matters. However, in other situations, it can create a sense of positivity and resilience in the face of adversity.